I wanted to do an example of calculate slope and classify. So when they say classify, what they mean is if the slope is positive, then the line is upward. If the slope is negative, then the line is downward. If the slope is 0, that means it's a horizontal line. And if the slope is what they call undefined, which means 0 is in the denominator of the slope formula, that means the line is vertical. So, to give one example, find the slope and classify. Let's say it's 6.3, 1.7 is the first point on the line, and the other point on the line is 5.2, 3.5. I think in the homework they asked you to round these to 3 decimal places, so I'm going to do that on the calculator. So the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, I'm going to identify the first ordered pair as x1, y1, the second ordered pair as x2, y2. Plug into the formula y2, 3.5, minus y1 is 1.7 over x2, 5.2, minus x1 is 6.3. Now on the calculator, to round this to 3 decimal places, I'm going to go round, and then 3.5 minus 1.7 divided by 5.2 minus 6.3, comma 3 for 3 decimal places. And on the calculator, I'm going to math, num, round, and let me move that so I can see. So it's 3.5 minus 1.7, 3.5 minus 1.7, close the parentheses, divide 5.2 minus 6.3, close the parentheses for the denominator, comma, 3 for 3 decimal places, and the calculator spits out negative 1.636 equals negative 1.636, and because the slope came out negative, we can say that this line tends downward. Downward, downward. Downward.